Good morning, children. Welcome back to our
Good morning, ma'am.
mathematics online class. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. I know you are always fine. Okay. So what we are doing, ma?
Wheels and pens, ma'am.
Yes, we
Wheels
are
and
doing
pens.
chapter 13, wheels and pencils.
Wheels and pens.
So children, all of you open your textbook.
Page number.
Yesterday, we completed page number 156 up to 156, I think so. Now page number 157 you have to open. Yes, ma'am. School garden. The students of class 3 and 4 thought of making a vegetable garden. They choose a place which look like this. Here the garden is given for you. Just have a look. Students of both classes thought that garden 1 was bigger, so both wanted to take garden 1. But suddenly Neetu said, I think both gardens are equally big. Quite possible. Let us find out if you are right. So another student said that. So then can anyone guess how Neetu find which garden is bigger? Anyone from the class? How she find it out? Which garden is
By
bigger?
measuring.
Which garden
By
is
measuring.
by measuring?
By finding the boundary of the ground.
Very good. So by measuring the length of the boundary of both gardens, so she can find out which one is bigger or which one is smaller or both are equal. Okay. So now let us see how she found.
Through that garden, one was bigger. So,
Yes. First need to place a long rope along the boundary of garden 1 to measure the length. Again, she placed the same rope along the boundary of the garden 2 to measure its length. Then she found that both the boundaries of gardens are equal. So therefore she can say that both are equal. Both gardens are equal in length. Okay, so whether they can choose garden 1 or garden 2, there is no problem. Both are equal. Okay, ma. Children, here you have some activities. While doing those activities, you will have a great fun. I am assured. Okay. Now, activity. Look at the activity. Look at the table on your classroom. Now, we are not coming to school. So, what you have to do? You have to take a table at your home. Okay. Guess how many math magic books you can place on it. Remember, the book should not overlap. Do not leave gaps between the books. Okay, that means suppose this is your math magic book, you think. So what you have to do, you have to place it like this, side by side. It should not overlap or you should not leave any gap. So side by side you have to keep. Okay, write your guess here. Now check your guess was right. How many books could you place? First, by seeing the table, what you have to do? You have to guess how many books you can place on it. Later on, so take your math magic book. Only have one book. So what you will do? Just give a line. Okay, with chalk piece. Just mark the line. Keep the book like this on the table and just mark it. Again, place it beside of that. Again, mark it. Okay, like that.
ma'am, can we use other subject textbook?
No. Only math magic book. Only one same book you need to use, ma. We cannot use another book. So suppose if the book is of the same length and breadth, that means if you overlap the book on that, you will get the same measurements. You can use. Otherwise, you should not use. Okay. So now check if your guess was right. How many books could you place? What is the difference between your guess and the actual number of books? Suppose here I guess that on the table we can place 10 math magic books. Okay, but after doing that, after doing the activity, if I can find 15 books I can place on that, then what will happen, ma? What is the difference there? 15 minus 10, 5 books. There is a difference. Suppose if your guess and the after placing the books, same number if you get. So what is the difference you will get there? 0. Okay. So you can do the activity, record the video and send it to me. Okay. If it is possible, record video and record it and send it to me. Now look at for another table. Is this table bigger than the last table? First you have chosen one table. Now what you have to do? You have to take another table. So whether you have to say whether it is big or not. By seeing you can say that it is bigger or not. Okay. Make a guess how many math magic books can be kept on this table. Same again process. Same. First you have to guess and then check with your math magic book. Okay. And guess whether your answer is correct or wrong. And the difference you have to find out. Okay. Now the difference between the sizes of the two tables is dash books. So that means what you are doing now, you are finding what you are doing there. You are finding the
Perimeter.
no. Perimeter means length of the boundary. Can be covered.
Area.
Can be covered means area. Okay. Area using the math magic book. Now try covering your math magic book with half. Sorry. How many math magic books can be covered with one sheet of newspaper? So take a paper and place some math magic books in that. Find out how many books you can cover. Okay. And then try covering your math magic book with half a sheet of newspaper. Can we cover? That also we have to check. Okay. Can you cover your book with a smaller sheet? Find the smallest sheet which can cover your book. Check if your friend used a smaller sheet than you did. Okay. So these are the activities, 3 activities that you have to do. If possible, record the activity and send the video to me. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, see here. Which is the biggest? Which is the biggest leaf in this picture? Okay. So to find out what we have to do, ma. So we need to find out by counting squares. We can find out how many. Which is the bigger leaf. So let us start. 1. Here more than half. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we cover the? Can we count this? No. Less than. Okay. Less than half. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, here we will find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can we count this, ma? Is it more than half or less than half?
More than half.
Yes. So we can count it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What about this, ma? Half. This is half. So we can take it as half. Okay. Now count this, ma. 1. Again here this is More than half or half? More than half.
More than half.
4,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
11, 8,
8,
9.
10.
Here one is there 11. Okay. And now.
Ma'am, second one.
Yes, ma. 1, 2, 3. Here half it is 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here it's a first leaf area is 13 and second leaf is 14 and a half. Third leaf is 11. Fourth leaf is 6 and a half. So which is the bigger leaf, ma? Which covers more area?
Second leaf, ma'am.
Yes, second leaf is the bigger leaf. Second one is the bigger leaf. Very good.
Second one.
Find the area of the given shapes. Okay, so tell me what is the area of this shape?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes, ma, tell.
Which shape, ma'am?
First ones, rectangle.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wait, where you are? This is the square, ma. This you have to, this one. This is one square. This you have to count, not the smaller ones. See, 1, 2,
6,
yes, ma. 6 square units.
5,
Please, 6 square units. Okay. Now, let us count for this shape. Let us check. Here, this is more than half. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, this is here we have 11 square units. Okay, ma. Area of this second shape is 11 square units.
5, 6,
Now,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
yeah, so check, we have to check more than half
Ma'am,
and half
one
also.
is 14.
2, here you have half square. Okay, half. Next 4, 5, 6. Again here you have half. 7, 8, 9, 10, half. So 10, half plus half 1. 10 plus 1, 11, 11 and half. Okay. So area of the third shape is 11 and half square units. So did you understand how to find out the area using squares?
Yes, ma'am.
I can
So easy, ma'am.
you now. Okay.
So easy, ma'am.
Very good.
Easy.
Find the area and perimeter for the following. Find the area and perimeter for the following. See the figure.
200, 200 plus 150.
What is the shape for this is?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Perimeter we have to find out. 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L means 100 meters plus 150 meters. So try to use formula, ma. So 250 meters, which is nothing but 500 meters. Okay. Now next we need to find out area. Area means what? Length into breadth. 100 meters into 150 meters. So how many zeros you have first? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First give the zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now here we have the number 15 and here we have 1. 115. 1 into 15. 15 ones are
15.
15.
15.
So 15,000 square meters. 15,000 square meters area is 15,000 square meters. So multiple with tens and hundreds are easy for us. Did you remember? We done it in the previous
Yes,
class.
ma'am. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
first we have to keep the zeros and then multiply the numbers. Did you understand, ma? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. Find the perimeter for the following triangle. So here this is the triangle given for us. 9 meters, 12 meters and 15 meters. Okay. Now we need to find out the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter?
36, ma'am. 36.
Perimeter. Perimeter equals to what? Sum of all sides.
Ma'am, 37.
36 meters plus 12 meters.
Ma'am, 37, ma'am. Ma'am, 36.
27 plus
36.
9. Yes, ma. Very good, Harsha.
36, ma'am.
36 meters. Perimeter is 36 meters.
Meters.
Okay? Is it hard or easy?
Easy, ma'am.
Easy.
Easy, ma'am.
Match the following having equal area. Tell me. Yes. Here see it, ma. Here you have 1 square unit. Again, where you will get 1 square unit? In which picture? In this here.
Last one, ma'am.
Last one, right side, last one. Now here, what is the area, ma?
Left side, second one, to right side, first one, ma'am.
Very good, Pratibha. Next.
Second one, last one to
Left
second
side,
one.
Last one to
Second one, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. Yes. Here, ma. Look at your textbook. How many small squares of size 1 centimeter are there in this big green square? Here, this is the big green square. In this, how many small squares are there? Check it and tell me, ma. Count it and tell me how many are there.
Teacher, 36.
Very good. 36. So by counting, you can say that 36 are there. So can
Ma'am,
you
36.
say another faster way? Can you say in another faster way?
Multiply.
Yes.
Multiplication.
Yes, ma. Here, along its length, how many squares we have? 6. Okay.
6 into 6, ma'am.
Yes, yes, it is a square we are saying.
36, ma'am.
Yes,
36, ma'am. 6 into 6 equals to 36, ma'am.
36 squares,
to
small
36,
squares are there. Very good.
36.
Now, guess how many squares of 1 centimeter can fill this blue rectangle?
11.
No. See here. Here along its breadth, how many are there? 4 are there.
32, ma'am.
And length?
32.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, ma. Harry, correct. 32.
34.
4 8s are
32, ma'am.
32.
32.
Nirikshan, don't write anything. So, how many small squares can fill it the blue rectangle, ma? 30,
32, ma'am.
32 small squares. Okay, very good. Next. Look at the picture. Can you divide it into 4 equal pieces? Each piece should have the same number of squares.
4 parts, ma'am.
4 parts, okay. They are asking only 4 parts only they are asking. How you will divide? See, this is like this one.
We will divide first one.
Okay. Next. So like this
3,
one
ma'am.
more part.
Here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yes, ma'am. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus. Here 3 plus 3 4 is 12. 8 box.
Yes, 3 fours are 12. But how you will divide? That shapes they need here. How you will divide? That we have to write here, ma. See here. With 4 colors I am doing. So we are getting in each part 3, 3, 3. In each part 3 squares we are getting, and those are like this. This is the first part, second, third, fourth.
There are 3 shapes. If we were having another 4 we would divide it 4 parts.
Yeah, if you have only one, not one, 4, again you should have 4 small squares.
Yeah.
Okay. So this picture can be divided like this. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, here, see it, ma'am.
House and well. Ma'am, can I read? Prajwal
Here
has
you
it.
have a puzzle. A house and the well. Raghavan has a piece of land. There are 4 houses on his land. In the middle, there is a well. He wants to divide this land equally among his 4 children. Each should get 1 house and be able to use the well without entering the other's land. Can you help them? Can you help him divide the land? Here we have to give different colors, ma'am. So then,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Tell me, how can you divide the land? So,
Ma'am, we can. Okay, ma'am.
mm,
Ma'am, four boxes, 4 boxes.
how? So you can draw it. Who is saying? Vijwala is saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I am giving the chance to you. Draw it, ma. Draw it and show it to me.
Ma'am, can I?
What should we draw, ma'am?
So how can you divide this that you have to draw?
Ma'am, can I draw?
In notebook?
Ma'am, we can't see the screen. Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
1 minute. Yeah, is it okay now?
No, ma'am.
No,
We can't see
ma'am.
the screen.
We can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. We can see now.
Here you are getting
Okay,
2 houses in this 4-1. You should not like that. Each one get 1 house and different way. Different way to go.
Oh.
Okay, not like this. Yeah, I will tell you, ma. Yes, here. See this, ma? See, like this, he shared the land. So, this is one part. 1 minute. Are you able to see the colors here?
Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can.
See here, this is the one. Okay? This is another one. So, each one will get house and as well as they can go to well without disturbing others. Okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, here again, this is the 3rd one. And this is the
Speak loudly.
4th one. So, four children can use the well and they should not, they should not disturb the others also. Without disturbing others, they can go to well. See, like this, he divided his
Ma'am.
land and he gave to his sons. Okay, ma?
Ma'am, how is it?
Convert as directed. Here you have 3 meters 45 centimeters that you have to convert it into meters. Okay? Conversions, ma? 3
Yes,
meters
ma'am.
42 centimeters. This we have to convert it into meters. So 3 meters plus this 42 centimeters we have to convert it into meters, ma. How we will convert centimeters into meters? We know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters.
100 centimeters.
So 1 centimeter equals to how many meters, ma? 1 by 100 meters. Okay, so this can be written as, tell me anyone from the class, this can be written as 0.01 meters. So here 3 meters plus 42 centimeters. How you will write? 0.42 meters. So it is nothing but 3.42 meters. Okay, ma'am?
3.42 meters.
Now convert 99 meters into centimeters. 99 meters into centimeters. Hmm. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 99
Teacher,
meters.
9,900 meter.
Very
900
good.
centimeters.
9,900 centimeters.
Meters.
9,900 centimeters.
Centimeters.
Okay, did you remember the conversions, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. This is homework for you. Find the area of a square whose side is 25 centimeters. Find the area of a square whose side is 25 centimeters. So area, how you will find, ma? Square. What is the formula? S into S, side into side. So we have to do 25 into 25 here. Now find the perimeter of a rectangular field whose length is 50 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. So what is the perimeter formula? Perimeter of rectangle.
Sum of
Into
all sides.
L plus B. Otherwise sum of all sides.
B.
Yes. Find the
Sum of
area
all
of a
sides.
rectangular field whose length is 12 meters and breadth is 9 meters. What is the area of rectangle?
It was 60 centimeters.
What is the area of rectangle? Formula.
Sum of all sides, ma'am.
Not perimeter. Area I am asking. Area of rectangle. L into B. Area of
L
rectangle is L into B.
Into B, ma'am.
Next. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 32 meters. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 32 meters. 4 into side. Okay. Now find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 17 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 19 centimeters. Perimeter of a square means what we have to do? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Perimeter of a triangle. Sum of all the 3 sides we have to do. So I hope you forgot the formulas. I will show the formulas once again. Write each formula 5 times. Okay? Yeah. Here you have the formulas. Write each formula 5 times. Area of square, side into side. Area of rectangle, L into B. Perimeter of a square, 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a triangle, sum of all 3 sides. So okay, each formula write 5 times. So that you can remember it. Okay. Okay, children. Yeah, that's all for today's class. By this, we completed the chapter Fields and Fences. Okay, ma'am?
Which
Thank you,
time,
children.
ma'am? Extra
Have a
class.
nice day.
Ma'am, extra class which time? Why now?
Okay, then. Bye-bye, children. Have a nice day. Okay?
Bye,
Complete the
ma'am.
work and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.